Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will first confirm prerequisites: iCloud-enabled Apple Calendar and an active Notion workspace. Once done, install or pick a calendar bridge that supports Cal DAV or ICS subscriptions. This provides the feed URL you need. Make sure you copy that subscription link exactly. Next, open Notion and prepare a calendar database on the page you plan to use. This is where events will appear. These initial steps get you into the integration flow fast, without unnecessary setup delays. Now configure the feed connection. Paste the ICS or Cal DAV URL into your bridge or subscription tool and verify it returns upcoming events. Once the feed is validated, switch to Notion and choose Embed or the Calendar Sync option to add that link. Pick Read-Only if you only need visibility, or Two-Way if your bridge supports updates. Then map essential fields, title, start/end timestamps, location, and confirm time zone and recurring event rules, so events align correctly between Apple Calendar and Notion. Finish by verifying that events appear in your Notion calendar. If items are missing, force a manual refresh or resync in the bridge. Make sure time zones match across devices and that recurring events import as expected. Adjust mapping if a rule misbehaves. If problems persist, recopy the feed URL, confirm the bridge or iCloud permissions, and restart the sync tool or device. One key troubleshooting tip: check whether the bridge supports two-way updates versus read-only. Mismatched capabilities often cause missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.